Question number 9. Tammy is asking, what is the format for projecting numbers for the year? Every entrepreneur has an annual pipeline projection. You have to have a spreadsheet that shows you your projected revenue for the year to come. This is an important report because all reports from accounting, they are made at the end of the month, but you want to know what's going on and what's the projection at any time, at any day in the year. So you want to open this report and see what is going on and what's the development and make strategic decisions based on your projections. In order to set up a report like this, you will need a spreadsheet, and you will need to have the following data in your spreadsheet: client number, client name, expected monthly revenue on the client level, percentage of chance that this revenue will come in. If the contract is already signed, that is 100% that it will come in. If you just approach this client and it is not clear yet whether this client, this wholesaler, for example, will work with you, then it is 0%. If the wholesaler is already interested but they didn't sign anything yet, it's probably 10% chance. So you will need to decide for yourself this chance distribution, and you will need to multiply it, your estimated revenue, with this chance. And this product of your estimated revenue times the chance that this deal will come through is your weighted revenue. So you will have another column with your weighted revenue. It's a product of the previous two, and you will have, and based on this weighted revenue, you will calculate your estimated monthly earnings before interest, tax, and appreciation. So this would be the last column. And based on this data, you will make a pivot table that will show you exactly what is your financial status at any particular day. If you need help with your fashion business and support by like-minded fashion brand owners, join 14 Days Free Trial and Fashion Business Mastermind, your mentorship program that helps you quit fear, gain focus, and streamline your fashion business. The link is in my bio on TikTok or in the description of this video.